I organized it as a vision framework document rather than a personal statement, so it can stand on its own as a guideline others could discuss, improve, or adapt. Community Technology and Future Development Framework. Vision. Create a community-driven network of learning, innovation, and development centers that provide access to technology, artificial intelligence education, and future-focused skills while strengthening local capacity and independence. The goal is not to control technology, but to ensure that communities have the knowledge, tools, and leadership needed to participate in shaping the future. Core principles. 1. Education creates opportunity. Technology should be accessible to everyone, regardless of income or background. Community technology centers should provide opportunities to learn computer literacy, artificial intelligence, programming, cybersecurity, digital creativity, engineering concepts, entrepreneurship, responsible technology development. The purpose is not only to create technology users, but future creators, innovators, and leaders. Build foundations before expansion. Large visions should begin with small, successful examples. The first step is creating a working model, a community learning center, a technology lab, a mentorship program, a safe environment for students and adults to learn. Successful models can then expand into additional locations. Community technology centers. Existing unused buildings, such as abandoned structures or community spaces, may provide opportunities to create computer laboratories, AI learning spaces, mentorship areas, innovation workshops, career development programs. Each location should be designed around the needs of the community. Not every center needs to do everything. Some locations may specialize in artificial intelligence, hardware repair, robotics, digital media, cybersecurity, entrepreneurship. A connected network of specialized centers can create greater opportunities than a single large facility. Mentorship and responsible AI development. Technology education must include responsibility. Students should learn how AI works, how to question AI outputs, how to identify risks, how to protect privacy, how to develop technology ethically. Mentors should help guide students through projects while encouraging creativity, critical thinking, and responsible innovation. The goal is to develop people who ask, can we build this? And also, should we build this? And how can we build it safely? Building community expertise. Long-term independence requires developing local professionals. Communities should be encouraged to develop their own. Lawyers, engineers, educators, technology specialists, business leaders, environmental experts. The purpose is to create communities that can confidently participate in negotiations, partnerships, and development decisions. Knowledge creates stronger partnerships. Indigenous and community development. Future projects involving Indigenous communities and other local communities should be built through cooperation, respect, and shared decision-making. Past experiences and historical harms must be acknowledged while also creating pathways toward future opportunity. The goal should be recognize the past, learn from it, and build stronger systems for future generations. Development should be created with communities, not simply delivered to communities. Hack partnership model. Successful growth requires cooperation between communities, governments, educational institutions, businesses, technology organizations, local leaders. Partnerships should focus on shared benefits, education, employment, economic development, innovation, community resilience. TerraFab 2 long-term vision. The long-term objective is creating an interconnected ecosystem where technology supports communities. Communities develop skilled people. Skilled people create new opportunities. New opportunities strengthen future generations. Potential phases. Phase 1, foundation. Develop the first technology learning center. Create educational programs. Build partnerships. Test the model. Phase 2, expansion. Create additional centers. Develop specialized facilities. Increase mentorship networks. Phase 3, community integration. Expand into communities seeking greater technological capacity. Support local leadership and expertise. Phase 4, long-term ecosystem. Connect education, technology, infrastructure, and economic development into a sustainable network. Guiding philosophy. The purpose of this initiative is not to create one organization that controls progress. The purpose is to plant seeds, A successful foundation should allow others to grow their own solutions, adapted to their own communities. The measure of success is not how large one project becomes. The measure of success is how many people are empowered to create their own future. Like a forest grown from many seeds, lasting progress comes when knowledge, opportunity, and responsibility are shared. This type of document would work best as a living framework, something that can evolve as people contribute ideas, rather than a fixed plan that cannot change. You could later add budgets, timelines, governance models, or pilot project details as the concept becomes more concrete.